you go down this?
Yeah.
Right? Yeah.
Yeah.
I was like, it sounded real bad. I'm like, what was that?
Is that the 9?
10.
Okay.
Yeah. There's one.
No, it's actually coming up. So
And it's worse than this.
beautiful.
Good job.
Slow, big job.
Yep. It's all right. It's all skid.
Like slow.
Right here. There's another drop. Skid again. Beautiful.
There you go.
That's
Just
it.
go slow because you got one more drop. There you go.
Want to move the trucks up?
You going hard or you going easy? Straight through.
Hey.
Throw that way so you don't cut flat.
Passenger.
Yeah.
Yep. Straight. Driver. 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 There you go. Drop. There you go. Keep driver. Straight now. Straighten up. Come on. Here's your drop right here. Down. You're good. And one more. Right there. You're good. Passenger out.
I wish I would have got a picture of that.
Huh?
Your wheels like.
Driver.
Yeah, no.
Hard driver. Hard driver. Right there. Straight. Straight. You got one drop coming up right now. Come on, straight. Straighten up. There you go. And last drop, and you're good.
Good job. I was like, did it hurt it?
Oh, it is like really. Come this way, son. There you go. Keep it right there.
We're going to delete the sound of that.
Yeah, we are.
There you go.
That's what's good.
That's like whoa, that's matched up there, sure. Them shocks made a big difference.
Yeah.
Now we'll go here and right back here.
Mine rub it off?
No, it didn't.
Brakes are just random. What about going past the tire right there? Oh, okay.
Got the touch, there you go. Start turning. Alright, right there, just like that. Keep coming. Straighten up a little bit. Alright, just like that. Alright, turn. Go.
There goes the diff. I hear it.
Oh, back up some.
What is that? Bumper or diff?
That's good. Turn more to the right. More, right there.
Right there?
Which way? Oh, right there.
Right here?
Yep.
Oh, that just gripped and I braked.
Try holding the brake and the gas at the same time, see if you can trick it.
Oh, I feel like it's a bump. I could be wrong.
Oh, whoa.
Flinging rocks.
No.
Oh, was it?
Stop.
Don't say that. Come up with good news.
Like a max track right there.
They don't grip on a rock well,
Yeah.
you know? And then also on an
Hold on, baby. Hold on. Yeah. to the left, so it's gonna feel sketchy. There you go. Go easy. Feather that throttle.
Because I need to just get up that hill, right?
Yeah. To the left. You got it.
Ooh.
That was your bumper or exhaust.
Oh, was it?
Yeah, it was exhaust.
I just hear it grinding. All right, straighten up. Right here, you got it. Coming up one side. Turn driver a little bit. Right there, hold on, slow, nice and easy. And,
Yeah, he's good.
okay, you're on the ledge, come on. There it is. I had him so fucking close to that. Then you need to set up an air pump and stuff. Oh, you're getting too crazy, Keith. You need to come passenger though.
Yeah, it will.
If you could.
Nice job.
Once that tire was
There it is.
Don't go back in.
Alright, you're gonna have a rock behind it now too. Hold on a second.
I want to go.
All the way up, like it's weird. But so many people have since then have heard it. It's not as bad.
Yeah! God damn, that tent was so close to that tree. Holy.
And there's a place up top that the helicopter lands if anyone's stuck and stuff. We'll see it. Well,
He's got one just as long.
Well, let's see if he bombs up. Alright. Put that right there. There you got it. I don't think he's gonna bottom that. No, doesn't look like it. It won't till it gets up here.
So out of alignment.
Is it?
Yeah.
Did it just happen from the trail?
Yeah.
What happened? It might be that.
Mine's out a little long.
I think it's doing that was good. I heard that pop earlier.
Oh gosh, it is out a little long there.
Oh, yeah, there you go.
What kind of bumper?
What's up?
What's in it? Oh,
Damn.
that's why I said hold the brake. Got it? Come on up, easy.